Hello guys, welcome to the random tutorials, and in this lecture we will study for loop. So what is for loop? So before reading for loop, we should learn about what is loop. Loop is basically whenever we are repeating something. Okay, so in C programming language, or you can say in any programming language, whenever we there is something condition like that, we should repeat anything. Okay, so if we want to repeat something without writing it again and again and again, this will create our program very lengthy. To avoid this kind of particular situation, we use for loop. Okay, so to avoid this kind of situation, we use for loop. So basically the for loop is likewise we can take the example. Okay, so let me take the example. If we having like defining the array of 4. Okay, so if I want to store, or you can say I want to store value in this array, so what I have to do is without loop. So basically I have write scanf percentile d, and then you know arr 0 for first value, and then again scanf percentile d. Let me adjust the focus, and arr of 1. फिर again scanf percentile d arr of 2. So this will be followed if I want to store value in the array. But now we having the concept of loop, which is, and first loop we are going to study is for. So for is a loop which will be used to repeat the some portion of the code. Okay, so for first of all we having a initializer, and then we having here condition, through which the main thing is condition through which the loop will be start and will be terminated according to that condition. And then we having end. Okay, so whenever the control shifted here, or you can say reached here, so the end condition which is here will be execute. Okay, and these are the some parameters through which our loop will be execute or will be work. Okay, if I am using this loop for my convenience, so I have to stop it, or you can say terminate it as my convenience. Okay, so let we see how we can use the for loop. Okay, so let me take the example. Include stdi.h. Okay, so I'm using it void main, and we having the array, and which is I will take 5. So but I'm going to use it for loop. Then I will start from I, initializing here int I is equals to 0. I is, and whenever the what is the condition of this loop is I5, I is less than 5. 5 will be always greater than I. Okay, to remain this loop working, we should do this to terminate this kind of loop. And then I plus plus, then again scanf percentile d and I. So this is the example of how the loop will work. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. I hope you learned something today. Take care. Bye bye.